Hi guys, if you are a fresher, your LinkedIn profile is like your digital resume that works for 24 by 7. The problem is, most freshers don't know how to build a professional LinkedIn profile. So today I am going to share step-by-step process on how to build a professional LinkedIn profile. So let's begin. Yeah, this is my LinkedIn profile. So the first one is your profile photo. Use a clear, high quality headshot with a good looking and a simple background. Wear formal or semi formal clothes. Smile a little and avoid selfies or group pictures. And the second thing is your background. And this is also known as banner. This is the space behind your profile photo. Use a clean design, maybe something related to your field. You can create a free banner on Canva in just 5 minutes. And the third thing is your headline. This is your headline. Please don't just write BTech student or fresher. Instead, write something like programming analyst or aspiring data analyst, skilled in Excel, SQL, and mention your communities and also your strengths. And use keywords from your industry so recruiters can find you. And the fourth thing is about section. This is the about section. Write 5 to 6 lines of about sections on mentioning who you are, your skills, and your career goals. For example, I am a recent computer science graduate, passionate about building efficient web applications, skilled in React, JavaScript, and problem solving, looking for opportunities to contribute to impactful projects. And mention some professional details like your personal email ID or your professional email IDs if you want, and mention some top skills here. So after that, before going to featured and post page, let us go to education session. In this education session, add your degree, college name, and study years. Mention any special achievements, ranks, and projects you have worked on. And the next one is licenses and certifications. In this section, you have to mention all your certifications that you are familiar with. So I did several certification courses like Java full stack and Agile program management and data structures and algorithm, etc. So also you can mention your credentials. Like if we click on credentials, you can show anyone can see your certificate that you are performed in this course. This way they can see your potential. Showcase your online courses or certifications like AWS Cloud, Data Science, and Digital Marketing. These show that you are constantly learning. After completing your licenses and certification section, let's jump into volunteering. Mention if you are voluntary like in IEEE or NSS, whatever you want. So after that, your skills. It is the most important session. So in this section, you have to mention all your skills. List at least 5 to 10 skills relevant to your dream job. Keep them specific like Java, HTML, CSS, data structures, data analytics, and avoid vague terms like hardworking and team player. After this skill session, have some courses session like mention that you have completed some courses in your graduation. So after completing the courses, you will get certificate, and also mention that courses here. So I completed data structures and algorithms course and Java full stack course and some courses on Udemy. So mention all that you are completed. So then in languages section, mention that you are familiar with. So I am familiar with English, Hindi, and Telugu. So mention it. Coming to post session. In this session, let us create a post. If you create a post, it will ask you what you want to talk about. So mention at least 2 posts per week. It will good for your LinkedIn profile to get engaged with many people out there. Clicking these 3 dots, feature on top of profile. If you click that one, it will appear on the featured session. So recently, I got selected at Cognizant. So I attached this as a featured post. And also I completed some important courses like DSA and full stack Java. So I mentioned it here as a featured session. And coming to add profile session, you can also add a lot of your things into LinkedIn profile, like add featured, add licenses and certifications. And if you do any other projects like personal and professional projects, you can also mention projects in this session. And also you can add your courses and add recommendation. Recommendation is like ask professors or mentors or internship super advisors for recommendation. Even 1 or 2 strong ones can make a huge difference. Stay active. Post about your projects, share whatever you are learning and engage with other posts. Just 1 or 2 posts a week keeps your profile visible to recruiters. So this is all about maintaining a good profile on LinkedIn. Start updating your LinkedIn profile today and see how opportunities will start finding you. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more awesome content. Thank you. Let's see you in the next one. Bye.